Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Anake TV, and today I'm doing some face mask. As you can see my face, this is going to be my first time of trying this product. I just saw it on YouTube. I said let me try to see how it's going to look. I have here turmeric. I don't know if you can see it very clear. This turmeric powder, and I have honey and turmeric. So I'm going to try this two stuff. Okay, see, I'm just opening it. I have a cup here, and I have a spoon, one spoon, just one spoon of turmeric. I'm going to close it. And 1 or 2 spoons of honey. Make it 2. Okay, let me push. I'll mix it. I don't use this cup. Yeah. Oh, the turmeric went into me. If I can hear my voice change. So I don't drink on this cup, or my kid doesn't drink on this cup. We use it for the shower. So don't worry. Say, oh, using for your face again, you want to use it for your, you want to drink on it? No, we don't drink on it. But spoon, I won't use spoon to my face. I just use it for that. I think it's enough. Then you start. This is my first time of trying it. Let's see how it's going to come out. As you can see my face, how it is. Yeah, this is my face mask. Okay, I'm done. It's been 30 minutes now, so I'm going to wash it. Then I'll come back after I wash my face. Okay, this is how it's done washing my face. As you can see, still have water. Yeah, I don't use towel to my face. Sometimes I let that water just to dry into my face. Yeah, because I have dry face. Yeah, so if you have a dry face too, yeah, you can do the same way. Don't be drying your face, and don't use towel into your face. Yeah, because towel we use into our body and everything. You can use tissue paper, napkins, you wipe your face, or you can use a good clean cloth, you wipe your face. You see, like mine is still wet. It's good to leave your skin. I'm going to use into my face. And when you apply any product into your face, don't go like this. Be going like this. This is my first time using this product, and it's smelling good. And I did use warm water, not too hot and not cold, just warm water, not very hot. Okay, yeah, this is my face. As you can see, this is how my face look now, and we'll try another day to see, for the second day, to see how it's going to do to our face. This is my first time trying every single stuff, and so I'll use this one, coconut body oil, coconut, just a little bit. Okay, I think we're done for now because it's night time. I'm going to bed to sleep. Yeah, thank you so much. Watch the video all the way to the end. Give me a thumbs up. Like the video. If you have a comment, leave down below. Yes, thank you so much. And to my subscribers, welcome. To my new subscribers, welcome to the family. We are all family. And thank you so much for joining family. Yeah, I don't have that much to say. Let's see the result, how it's going to turn on. The way they say it's going to clean your dark spots and all those stuff. Let's see how it's going to, the result, how it's going to come out. If I try on the next the day I'll try again, I'll let you know. Yeah, this is my first. There's no harm of trying. See, but I can feel my skin is soft. You see, it's soft. Yeah, thank you so much. See you to my next video. Bye.